Hey everyone, it's James with SCW, here to give you a quick introduction on the Scout 8.0. The Scout is a turret camera with an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. To showcase how wide the Scout truly is, let's first look at this deputy camera, which features a wide-angle 112-degree field of view. Pay attention to both the left and right side of the images, as well as the bottom. We replaced this 112-degree camera with the Scout's 180-degree field of view, and take a look at the difference. Not only can you see both the dumpsters now, you can also see the parking spaces on the left and right. Even just as importantly, it's wider vertically as well, allowing us to see behind the dumpsters and nearly below the camera. The Scout covers about 68% more area. Now let's take a look at the other key specs of the Scout 8.0. Of course, it features that amazing 180-degree field of view we just saw, and it combines it with a 4K sensor at 30 frames per second. It also has 65 feet of ultra-wide infrared for night vision, a built-in microphone, an IP67 weatherproof rating, an IK10 impact resistant rating, and our built-in people and vehicle analytics. Now let's take a look at some sample footage. Be sure to watch this at 4K on YouTube for the best quality. If you want to learn more about the Scout or any of our security solutions, get in touch with an expert at getscw.com.